Ever wondered just how vast the universe really is? Let's start our journey by putting our home, Earth, into perspective. This blue planet we call home measures around 12,742 kilometers in diameter. To put that into perspective, consider this. If you were to drive around the Earth's equator at a constant speed of 100 kilometers per hour, without any brakes, it would take you over 530 hours to complete the journey. That's more than 22 days. And if you were to fly from one side of the Earth to the other at the speed of a commercial jetliner, it would take approximately 15 hours. Quite a journey, isn't it? But here's the kicker. Even with its seemingly enormous size, Earth is just a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of the universe. So our Earth is quite big, yet it's just a tiny speck in the vast expanse of the universe. Moving away from Earth, we venture into our solar system. The heart of our system, the Sun, is a glowing sphere of hot gas, dwarfing Earth by over 100 times in diameter. As we journey outwards, we encounter the inner planets, rocky bodies like our own Earth, followed by the gas giants in the outer reaches. Our farthest planetary neighbor, Neptune, sits around 4.5 billion kilometers away from the Sun. To put this into perspective, if Earth were the size of a marble, the distance from the Sun to Neptune would be roughly the equivalent of a 7-kilometer stretch. That's the length of over 70 football fields. Beyond Neptune, the solar system extends even further, reaching out to the fringes of the Kuiper Belt and the distant Oort cloud. This entire expanse, from the Sun to the farthest reaches of the Oort cloud, is our cosmic neighborhood, a tiny corner in the vastness of space. And yet, even our expansive solar system is barely a blip in the grand scale of the universe. We're now going to leave our solar system and venture into our own galaxy, the Milky Way. This celestial marvel is estimated to be around 100,000 light-years in diameter, an expanse so vast, it's hard to wrap our minds around. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a light-year? It's a measure of distance, not time as the name might suggest. A light-year is the distance that light, which moves at around 300,000 kilometers per second, travels in a year. So imagine the distance covered by light in 100,000 years, and that's approximately the size of our galaxy. It's a scale so colossal it's almost beyond human comprehension. And yet, despite its staggering size, the Milky Way is but a tiny speck in the grand design of the cosmos. Even our galaxy, as vast as it is just one of countless others in the universe. Now brace yourself as we step even further out to explore the observable universe. This is the part of the universe we can observe from our little blue planet, Earth. It's an immense space, estimated to be around 93 billion light-years in diameter. To put that into perspective, a light-year is the distance light travels in a year, which is approximately 6 trillion miles. So you can imagine how gigantic the observable universe is. Now let's talk about the number of galaxies it contains. It's estimated that there are around 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies is home to millions, if not billions of stars, each potentially with its own system of planets. We're talking about an astonishing number of celestial bodies, each with their own tales to tell. So, when we talk about the size of the universe, we're dealing with numbers and scales that are nearly beyond human comprehension. So, just to recap, we started our journey on our home turf, Earth, a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. We then ventured into our solar system, a cosmic neighborhood of 8 planets, each with its own unique characteristics, orbiting around our Sun. From there, we zoomed out to our galaxy, the Milky Way, a swirling mass of stars, gas, and dust spanning over 100,000 light-years. But even this vast galaxy is but a tiny speck within the observable universe, a cosmic ocean that extends for 93 billion light-years. The enormity of these scales, from our home planet to the observable universe, is truly mind-boggling and awe-inspiring. The universe is teeming with mysteries and wonders waiting to be discovered. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos and the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our world. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're seeing just a tiny portion of the vast, incredible universe we're a part of.